Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Mopar Jeep Performance Parts 7-inch off-road LED lights for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. These lights are sold in pairs. Not only will you get a pair of the lights, but you'll also get a pair of snap-on covers featuring a large Jeep logo here, and they simply snap over the face of the light to protect them and keep them covered when they're not in use, and they're easy to remove when you're ready to turn them on. You do want to make sure that you remove the covers before you turn on these lights. They do produce a little bit of heat and they could potentially melt those covers on you. Now you'll also get a pair of wiring harnesses with the lights featuring a weatherproof Deutsch style connector on one side that plugs into the back of the light, and a grounding terminal as well as a blunt cut positive wire on the other side. So this wiring harness is going to give you a lot of flexibility and allowing you to mount these lights really wherever you like. And even though these lights were designed with the Jeep Wrangler JLs in mind, well, because they're using a universal style harness, well, you could really mount them up on any Jeep vehicle. Now, as you can see, the front of the light here in the lens, they're using a diffuse type lens, which is really going to throw that light nice and wide on the trail for you, not only on the ground, but to the sides of the trail, up in the trees even. And each one of these lights throws out 8,000 lumens of light, so they're really going to light up the night. Now, if we look on the bottom of the lens here, they feature a nice little Jeep logo here for you, and the entire housing is weatherproof. In fact, it's totally submersible, so you're not gonna have any problems with any kind of water intrusion here. They use a cast aluminum housing that features nice large cooling fins on the back to help keep these LEDs running cool. That's going to help increase the lifespan of them. And if we tilt the light back and look at the bottom here, well, we can see that they're using 4 mounting points between the mounting bracket and the light that feature vibration isolating dampeners in here. That's also going to help to increase the long lifespan of the LEDs. You're also going to get the mounting bracket and the hardware to get these mounted up. Now, Mopar does refer to these lights as a 7-inch light, but I think that's a pretty generous 7 inches. If we grab our tape measure here, we can see diagonally across the face of the light, we're getting about 5.5 inches. Straight across the face, we're about 5 inches. I think where they're getting that measurement from the mounting surface to the top of the light, we're just shy of 7 inches. So that's just something to be aware of when you're looking at these lights. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase a set of the Mopar Jeep Performance Parts 7-inch off-road LEDs, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about these lights, you can leave those for us below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.